Namaste, Prema from Bangalore. Today we are making a recipe of donut. That is, it's a bakery recipe. It will be given for the auto cooking menu and manual. In the bakery items, we are doing for the manual recipe. For the donut ingredients, so here I taken maida 200 gram, sugar 50 grams, butter and yeast, milk, nutmeg powder, 1 egg and the vanilla essence. So first in the microsafe bowl we can add a milk and a yeast. First milk we can make it for the heated for the room temperature. Then we can add for the yeast for that and mix it well. Yeast is fermented here. So now for this I can add a sugar powder, butter, so for dissolve this, so just mix well. Then we'll add an egg for this. We'll add the maida and make a soft dough. The dough is ready. Just we can close the plate and keep it for 1 hour so that it make for the fermenting and the double rising. See, already we made a dough on that. So this is a soft dough. So we are making. So this we can make it shapes on this. So already it will be taken for the 1 hour. It will be made for the fermenting on that. So this is we can make for the donut shapes on this. Donuts is ready here. So once it will be goes to the preheating process will be going on this. Once the preheating get done, we can keep inside and start the button. So this is a auto cooking menu here using. So this is for the child favorite. Start agillalla. Start agutte idu. So child favorite. So here I can go for the it's kids delight. It will be there. So in the kids delight we can press. It comes to the 1, 2, 3 it will become. Two, 3. We can preheat. Last 10 seconds is there. So your donut is ready. See that. Your donuts is ready here. So in this top of that you want to put for the chocolate syrup, you can put it for the chocolate syrup also. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.